right. Oh my god. And I'm out of frame. Hey, hello. No lights. Hold on. Well, this is my new lighting setup. Yes, these have done me well. However, these lights are at a cool setting the entire time. It's like cool day, you know, like that bluish, and it's just, I like all this, and I can do this with my lights, but I can't do any of that with these lights. And I only have 2 of them. I need something like back here for the head thing, which would be good. So that's where this comes in. So at a whopping $179 for this entire setup, I was curious to see how good they were, because you typically don't find lights this inexpensive. And the setup on this I saw, which actually had me interested, was these are able to do 3300 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. So that is a nice cool to a nice warm, or nice warm to nice cool. These also had a CRI rating of 95, so that is a pretty good overall score for these. But I want to see how good they are compared to these. These are 10-inch round discs, and they are super, don't need the Jellica. They're super, super thin, and like I said, 10-inch diameter, controls on the back, you got a 1/4 thread on the bottom, and you know what's funny, I just realized, I don't know if they're going to tilt up and down or not. So you get 3 of these, again, which is very nice. And having 3 of these compared to 2 of those should work out, but we will see. And that is it on this side. On the other side, which is always nice, but you could always pick these up at any point, are the tripods, the stands for these. And they're in here very nice. And again, this is a nice compact setup that you can basically take anywhere. And the tripods themselves, you know, they're not anything super great. It's about the same footprint as the ones I currently use, so it's not any better or any worse than what I have. And it looks like that will screw into the end of that, but it looks like we have some more stuff in here. Ah, here we go. I didn't see this on the website, so this is actually a welcome. Yeah, this is a welcome addition. These will actually 1/4 thread onto the bottom of this. It looks like there's a little knob there to hold it. I saw that hole on there earlier. And yeah, look at that. These will actually thread into there. And it's nice because it's real easy to go on with the little spinny knob here on the end. That's nice. That'll go right in there. And then when you put these on the top of the tripod, you can move these up and down. So that'll be nice. Hopefully these last. I may have to pick up a couple extra just to be careful. So it looks like we've got, yep, we've got 3 plugs, 1 for each, and yep, 2 more adapters, and of course these tripods in here. You saw everything that came in here, but you know what, let's go ahead and swap out these 2, just these 2 for those 2, and we'll see if there's a big difference or if we can change the ambiance by the lighting and the Kelvin. So 1, 2, 3. So these are the new shirt. So here the lights are set up. I have them at 100% at 5600 Kelvin. Probably close to what these were. As a matter of fact, here are the lights that I was using. They are rather large compared to the other ones. Now, I only have 2 of them set up, and you know, that's the difference. So a big difference in weight and size, however, definitely not as bright. It looks good in here, but you know, when I would use these and I would dim them down or bring them up, I'd have to adjust it in post. So if I have to brighten this up in post, I don't know if that's kind of defeating the purpose. I mean, if I want them bright for a product or something like that, I don't know if these will be that good for it. These are $179 as it stands on the website for 3 of them. So I think it's a pretty good deal, but it may not be as bright as what you're looking for. I want to test these out for a little bit and see how they work with what I'm doing. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to check out some videos in the meantime, you can do that right there. And again, we'll be back with these, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about them after I'm using them for a week or 2.